Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. You remember in the last video we got Brembo brakes for the 350 and they were shit, like super dirty and got a lot of brake dust over them. I think it's just from years of use. So today I'm gonna act like Obsessed Garage and Ammo NYC and all the other detailers on YouTube, and I'm gonna clean the living shit out of those brakes, make them look brand new hopefully, and might be painting them down the road, so I do need them to be like super clean. But if I'm gonna end up painting them, I will go through like a process of like prepping it for paint. I don't know how to do that, so YouTube and Google will be my best friends. Alright, so first thing I'm just gonna lay out everything on the floor right here. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is spray these down with some soapy water. Alright, I just want to like spray these down enough so that all like the grime and dirt is off of there. I know I can't get it perfect, but it's just the best I can do. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is let the soap sit for a while. I do have like a brush, just general brush. This is clean, don't worry. I'm just gonna wipe it down and try to get everywhere I can. Now the tight spots, I'm just gonna try to get there with a microfiber towel. But even this just takes a lot of dirt off. Alright, I think I got a majority of the stuff covered. There are stuff like this. This will all come off with a pressure washer, but I'm still gonna go in with a microfiber. Alright, now it's time for the pressure washer. In case you have this, I'm using the 40-degree angle. Gets a good amount. Actually, you know what? No. Using the 25-degree angle, because these are small stuff, so it'll get all of it. Alright, so I just pressure washed everything. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these down so I can get them nice and dry, and then I'm gonna go over them with brake parts cleaner, and hopefully that does a better job than the soap did. I mean, the soap really took away a lot, but there are parts that need to be really clean, so I think brake parts cleaner would do the trick. Alright, so next I'm gonna take my brake parts cleaner and I'm gonna spray this everywhere. Also, I'm gonna take this little nozzle, if I can take it out. I'm gonna put it on there. Nice. So I can get into all the small little pieces. I mean the places, small little places. So now I'm letting everything rest for a while with the brake cleaner on. I know brake cleaner is not some like magical detail product, but it's brake cleaner, so that's literally what I'm using it for. After it's waited for a couple minutes, I'm gonna soak everything down with pressure washer again, hit it like that, or maybe, you know what? No, I'm actually gonna take the microfiber towel and I think I'm gonna like wipe everything down, so maybe like the brake cleaner will get all of it off. If not, then I'm gonna go in with the pressure washer and just soak everything down, and that'll be it. And I know this is not gonna be perfect, but it's good enough because I know I'm gonna be painting these anyway. Because there is some, so I'm gonna paint these anyway. So there is some damage on it. It needs to be painted. I don't know if I'll repaint it red, which might make it easier, but I might repaint it another color. But I'm not sure of that yet. So I'm just like taking all the the majority of the dust off and the debris and everything that's built up. I'm taking that off, and then after that I'll deal with the rest later. Well, that's waiting. Not to go off topic or anything, but that's my stock exhaust on the 350. That's the big ass muffler that it came with, the stock tips. That's a resonator that was on the 350 right there actually. Wow, that's crazy. It's just been sitting here. If anyone wants it, let me know. I can't send it. If you're local to Virginia right now, or Jersey, or anywhere in the East Coast, I guess. Northeast, northern. Not like, don't be in Florida and ask for the shit. Well, if you're anywhere close, I'll give it to you for free. Also, the pressure washer I'm using is a 1700 PSI Ryobi electric pressure washer. It's not the strongest, so it doesn't get everything off, but it does the job. Like it's good enough to clean your car, clean some stuff, like small things like that. So yeah, there's that. Alright, so time to wipe these down with the brake parts cleaner on there. I mean, these look dry now, so I wonder if I should pressure wash it. Honestly, that's way better than what it started as. There's some stuff on here that I need to like really go through this, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna paint it because you see all the nicks and like shit over here, like the dents and nicks right here. There's one right here, one here, like all around. There's just small nicks and dents, so not really dents, but like small things that the paint's chipped off. So I'm gonna probably paint this, but for the time being, that's amazing. Just to see all the damage and everything, like, damn, that's clean. That's clean.
Rebel soul child got a fist ball. I'm a respawn of ancestors, and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride.
Alright, so that'll be it for today's video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to go down and press that like button, the one that looks like this. Or if you don't like it, press the one that looks like this. It just helps me out and gets me more engagement, okay? If you want to comment down below. Yeah, that's all. I'll see you in another video. Peace.
Fuck me sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where they prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when no parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they quick with the shape shift. Up through the night, work the grave shift. Batted from the